Okay, so this is how you break off a C-clip on a Toyota pickup from a CV joint. So the CV joint being this, and your shaft going in here. The C-clip is on the end of this shaft here, and there's no way to really get this off unless you hammer it off with a hammer, or you basically cut this and press it out. Well, after hammering my hand and trying to figure out how to get this out, I came up with this new technique. I hope it's new, or maybe someone's done it before, but this would help break this off without having to hammer it and maybe destroying your CV joint. So what I did was took my Harbor Freight press, took the press plates here, and as you can see, kind of done it already, but you basically secure the plates down so it doesn't move with some C-clamps. Make sure those are all pressed down pretty good, because I tried doing it without. And once you get it on there, these have all been secured down pretty good. You basically take your axle, slide it down, put it down like that. If you have a rag or something, you basically take it, you just lift it up and break it off. And in this case, actually, it was able to retain the CV, the C-clamp or C-clip, and it's still on there. Very nice. And there you go. And that's how you basically break loose Toyota CV joint from the front axle shaft. Pretty simple. Not a lot of hammering, and basically just breaks it loose. So hopefully that helps anyone else out. I struggled with this for a few hours and hammered my hands and all that, trying to beat this thing, and found out this works pretty good. So good luck. Hopefully that helps.